Hello kids! In this video, we learned past continuous tense. Read. I was reading a storybook. Kick. He was kicking a football. Draw. She was drawing a rainbow. Camp. They were camping in the forest. Hike. They were hiking in the hills. Cycle. They were cycling together. Jump. They were jumping on a trampoline. Ride. She was riding a scooter. Brush. I was brushing my teeth. Sleep. I was sleeping in my bed. Fish. He was fishing by the lake. Wash. I was washing my hands. Bake. She was baking cookies. Row. He was rowing a boat. Water. She was watering the plants. Celebrate. They were celebrating a birthday. Travel. I was traveling by train. Play. I was playing chess. Carry. He was carrying a school bag. Blow. She was blowing bubbles. Plant. She was planting a seed. Dance. They were dancing on the stage. Feed. She was feeding the ducks. Sing. I was singing at home. Pull. He was pulling a wagon. Push. He was pushing a toy car. Clean. I was cleaning my room. Decorate. They were decorating a cake. Solve. We were solving a puzzle. Pick. She was picking flowers. Skate. He was skating in the park. Throw. He was throwing a garbage. Catch. He was catching a ball. Swim. He was swimming in the pool. Build. She was building a tower. Listen. We were listening to our teacher. Share. We were sharing toys. Pack. I was packing my school bag. Rain. It was raining outside. Climb. The monkey was climbing a tree.
You are doing great, kids. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel for more updates.